Hey duckies, I'm going to show you what we're going to do in our next Learn and Move class. Hope you all are looking forward to it. Let's get started. This time we'll be making something called kitty notes. So these are two examples of the kitty notes. We have the small version and the big version. I like the small version better, but you could also do a big version if you have to write something bigger. So as you can see, we can open these up, and then you can see there's a secret note on the inside. So, fun, cute way to write notes to your friends. So, let's get started. We'll first do the small one, then review our steps with the larger one. For this small one, we need a piece of paper about this big. So, you're going to start with your paper colored side up. Then, I want you to fold the bottom part up about a third. That's a little bit too much. There we go. Perfect. So you can see that this part and this part are pretty close to the same size, and that's really what we want. So once you've done that, you're going to fold this over to make a rectangle. Like so. Then I want to open the rectangle and turn it over. So now my colored stripe is on the bottom and my white one's on top. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it so I have a line that goes from this middle point to this end point. That's going to be my kitty's ears. So, there we go. So now I have one ear done, and now I want to do the next ear. So, let's do that again. Again, I need the line to start from this middle point and go to this point here. Now you can see I have a nice V shape. Now I'm going to take this tab here and I want to pull it up. You have to be careful because there are these pieces here, so you have to kind of pick it up and then unfold it to make my nice little house shape, right? So there we go. Now you can see better. So now I have my house shape. I want to fold this top point of the house down to this line here, like so. There we go. And then once that's done, I'm going to again pick it up a little bit so I don't bend where my ears are and fold that down one more time. Now, you can, if you know what you're looking for, you can now kind of start to see our kitty. So this is going to be its ears, this will be where the face is, and then this is where I'm going to write my message. But first, we need to make our cat a little thinner. So we're going to flip it over. And I now want to fold both of these sides in. Now this is the little bit tricky. Little bit though. I want to cut this point in half so I have some nice pointy shaped ears like you can see here. So I found that the easiest way to do that is you first just fold it here like this. Try to make it so the ear gets cut in half. Then I just put it down and pull my thumb all the way down. And then it makes a nice even crease, and this is what the front will look like. Now I got to do the other side. So again, I pick it up, move this over, make sure it's pretty even, and I want to cut this ear in half. Uh-oh. Sometimes you might have a problem with there being a ripple in here. If you have that, just drag your nail along there to smooth that line down, and it should get rid of the problem. So, see? I'm going to fold his little cute ear in half. Perfect. Now, just push down, and I got my crease. So, this is what the back looks like, and then this is what our front will look like. Now you can see the face, which resembles here. Now we need to find a way to tuck it in here so our note can be secret. So we're going to take this corner and fold it to this middle line, like so. We go, and one more time. There. Now we can take time to use our marker to draw a cute little kitty face and a message. So, let's see, I have a happy kitty, a so-so kitty. Ooh, sleepy kitty. That's what I'm going to do now. My sleepy kitty will dream of fish. I love fish. Once you have your face and message done, all that's left is to cover it up. So, I want to take this point and I'm going to tuck it under my cat's face. So you can see that my thumb can actually go inside a little pocket there. So I'm going to tuck it under, and then pinch to make my fold. And now I have a brand new little secret kitty note. Now, let's review with the big guy. So, for a bigger kitty note, we're going to need a piece of paper about this size. Now, this time, I have colors on both sides. So the part that I want my note to be on is the pattern side. So I'm going to start with it pattern side up. Okay? Here, let's move you guys over. Now again, taking this bottom part and folding it up. This time I actually want it to be a little bit less than a third. Okay? So I want my patterned part to be a little bit bigger than my colored part. Right? Now, I'm going to fold it over to make my rectangle. Like so. And here, let's just make sure this is a nice, good creased line. Now, I open it up, and I have to turn it around, right? Because we need our unpatterned or white side to be up here. Now again, I'm going to start making my kitty's ears. I need to fold from this point to here. So let's do that. And we'll have our kitty's right ear. There we go. And then again, I'm going to do the same thing from this point to this point. I'm going to make the kitty's left ear. Okay, now again, I have my nice V shape. So I'm going to pick my paper up because I don't want to bend this part, and open it to make my house shape, right? I'm going to fold this point down to this line. There we go. Okay, so now my paper looks like this. Then I'm going to again pick it up and fold it down. Ooh, almost messed up his little ear. Okay, so now again you can start to see our kitty shape, but we need to make it a bit skinnier again. So let's flip it over. And again, I want to fold it in so I have a line cutting this ear in half. So I'm going to pick it up and fold here. There we go. There we go. Make a nice crease. And then I'm going to do the other side again. I want to cut the ear in half, so I'm going to do a line there. Looks about right. There we go. Make my nice crease. So now this is what the back looks like. And then this is what my front looks like. All I have to do is make that little point at the edge so I can tuck it under the kitty's face. So I'm going to fold my corner to the middle line, like so. Do the other side, like so. Now the fun part. I get to write my message and draw my kitty's face. Ooh, angry kitty. Angry kitty. So, need little angry eyes. Little nose. Its mouth. Whiskers. Now, what could make a kitty angry? The same thing that makes Miss Marie angry. It being so hot! Kitties aren't made for hot weather. Nor is Miss Marie. Okay, so I have my little message done, and now I want to make it a secret. So I'm going to put the tab up into the pocket that I made before and push down. And that's how you can make little secret kitty notes. So you can have a cute little note to send to a friend, or to leave for mom and dad, or to give as a present. So hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye bye.